Yo. Alright, what's up, YouTube? Haven't posted in a little bit. I'm gonna try and get back to posting every single day. Let's look at the trade recap for the day. Boom, boom. We made um 1R today, so 500 on my Apex and 250 on my Alpha account. I only have two accounts right now because I'm unprofitable. Well, I'm about to be profitable, but I am not yet. So I have gotten a payout. Couldn't follow up on that one. So we're gonna get back to doing what I did right. Anyway, let's start on the 4 hours. So coming into the day, pretend these two candles were not here. I was bullish. We had all these highs up here, and especially on ES, I was bullish. So I was just waiting for price to open, come into this gap, take out these low resistance lows, and then continue higher. And at first, that was what I was expecting price to do, and that's what it looked like it was doing. Um, we had an SMT setting up right here, had this SMT setting up, and then we ended up going lower. So I obviously didn't find an entry higher there. I was waiting, I was staying patient, waiting for 5 minute order flow to shift because I knew we could for sure just dump through this range because it's all imbalanced price action. So I was waiting to see where price wanted to go for sure. Obviously, we got this huge move down on ES, even bigger on NASDAQ. So I was like, okay, we're definitely bearish for the day. I'm going to be looking for shorts. And that's exactly what I did. I figured, okay, we're super oversold here. It's going to be hard to find a trade. So what did I do? Well, I waited for price to retest. And on ES, we had this blue candle, which was the retest I took a trade off of. So we had this blue candle right here. And this blue candle came into equilibrium, 5 minute equilibrium, this high to this low. So once I saw that, I went down to the 1 minute. I was like, okay, we could potentially be going lower. I'll wait for confirmation. And um, we got confirmation, right? We got it off of, I believe it was this leg right here, 1023. So I took this trade on NASDAQ, but I was waiting for my confirmation on ES. And we got that confirmation at 1022 on ES and 1022 on NASDAQ. So obviously NASDAQ did not come into equilibrium or any form of retracement, but that's was honestly better. I honestly liked that more because it told me that NASDAQ was way more bearish than ES, so it was ready to keep going to the downside, and I didn't want to fight the trend or anything. So I was just waiting for a small little retest to catch my small little piece of the pie, which is exactly what I did. And in 2 minutes, I was out of that trade. Saw this break structure. Boom, I'll take it there. Just a 1-to-1 since we're so oversold. I didn't want to go for too much or anything, and I went break even at this low right here. So I was risk free about 30 seconds into the trade, and it was just a beautiful 2 minute trade. I wish I could do that every day, but obviously that's not what the market gives you every day. So you got to take what the market gives you, and this is what it gave me today. So anyway, that was my trade today. Up 1R in both accounts. I'm about 4 days out from a payout, so hopefully I can keep winning. I'm gonna stick to my plan, stay consistent, and I'll let you guys know in about a week if I do get that payout or not. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.